Hello everyone, my name is Maui Rivero, and I just wanted to share with you all my experience interviewing Dr. Sarpo, an orthodontist who has worked many years in the Valley and who runs 2 orthodontic practices. So what is orthodontics? For those of you who do not know, orthodontics is a dental specialty focused on aligning the bite and straightening the teeth through braces and aligners to improve the overall dental health of a patient. From the knowledge that I was given from Dr. Sarpo, I was able to find out that he works mainly with the younger population, but he does see patients of all ages. He also let me know that a lot of the work done in the office, the physical tasking work is done by the orthodontic assistants, while he works more behind the scenes doing the dental puzzle, the orthodontic puzzle, which is working on the dental treatment plan and looking at the x-rays, panoramic x-rays, other information, just to see what works best for the patient to give him the best smile and the healthiest smile he can through the knowledge he was able to gain through dental school. He also let me know that the most important thing, in his opinion, for a pre-dental student would definitely be to keep the grades high as possible in case of a difficult semester or a course that could potentially drop the GPA. It's also very important to study hard and to work towards a great result on the DAT through a prep course or other study methods. It's also very important to show why you're passionate in dentistry on your application, to show any adversity that you have undergone through the undergraduate experience. Of course, is 4 years, so a lot can happen in 4 years. It's very important to be transparent with the dental schools that you're applying to, just to let them know that if you are experiencing something or something that you have gone through, especially in adversity in the career, it could be beneficial to use the experiences that you've gone through to show why you've been able to overcome them, or to show how it has shaped you as a person. Based on the question that I asked him, being that what would he have done if he wouldn't have gotten accepted to any of the dental schools, he let me know that he wouldn't have given up. After the first round, he would have tried at least 2 more times. And he let me know that you should never give up unless you see the risk not being overpowering, the reward being, a dentist. He let me know, again, that the road to success is a very long and sometimes lonely road, but it's definitely worth it if you are working in a career that stimulates you and that you're happy to go to every day. A lot of people tend to think that, dentistry is great because of the lifestyle, but it's not that great of a lifestyle if you're not enjoying going to your job every day. I was able to gain a lot of insight on orthodontics in general outside of the practice itself, because I was able to learn what he did specifically to get into dental school. He told me that he did a lot of dental missions outside of the country, which helped him with clinical information and clinical experience. And I was able to take this information and put it into my own as well. And I was able to learn that a lot of clinical experience could be beneficial, just to show that you can have that upper hand, I guess, going into dental school, already knowing some dental terminology, dental procedures, and shadowing in on those experiences. I think that my biggest personal takeaway would definitely be not giving up on the career if I am not successful on my first go around with the application process. I would definitely give it 2 more tries and just keep pushing towards how I can stand out and how I can be different. Because at the end of the day, as clear-cut as I could say it and just being completely transparent, I think that based on what I learned from Dr. Sarpo, a dental application is what can make you stand out. Because many of you will have great grades, many of you will have good DAT scores, but what makes you different is the most important part of an application, aside from grades, of course. But the entries that you're able to put in, written entries with your personal statement that share sides of who you are, can impact the overall outcome of getting an acceptance. I think that was the biggest takeaway for me, and I hope that this information that I share with you all can be beneficial, and good luck with your application process.